Hello everybody, welcome back to Power Reviews. I've just purchased myself a brand new bicycle handlebar bag. Very nice, isn't it? Look, shiny. Papa's got a brand new bag. Should we take it? There's a problem. I've got to go out and the sun seems to be going down on me. Where am I going to put my light? I could put it there, but that would interfere with my position. I like that position. I like that. Oh, I could buy the attachments for the bag to put my light on. No, I can't. I spent all my pennies on the bag. Well, I guess it's time for Power Reviews. Top tip. Let's just get on with it. Okay, my light is actually on my bicycle. How did I do it? I'll tell you. Right, brand new bag. It is shiny, it's sparkly, but it's not bright enough to lighten the way. So I do need my light. Let's get on with it, shall we? Have you guessed? Where's my light? Din, 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 din. Hello? You're clever. Me, that is. Look at this. How did I do this? You can go this way and you can go that way. How did I do this? I put a bit of tape on it because I was actually in a rush. I had to get out, but I needed my light. I couldn't put it there because I told you before. Right, so this is the headset, cap and bolt and 2 spaces. That's all it is. One of them, if you've got one of them spare, or you can even buy one cheap, the bolt, take that off. Watch this, look, watch this. That's all it is. Now, I was in a rush, so it's a bit crude, but I can do it nicely. It's solid. Look at that. A couple of spaces. Cap, bolt. Fit. You probably get any light on there. And I'll tell you a little trick, a little secret. I've already used it for just over 5 miles, 5 to 6 miles, and it was solid. Right, there's the top tip. What I'm going to do next is, I've got my real ones, there's no problem there. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is, I'm going to let the sun go down on me. Okay, going to go down in a minute. Stay there. And I'll show you guys what it's like at night time. Okay, see you in a minute. Bye. Dink. Right, guys. Let's go and have a ride, shall we? In the dark with my brand new invention. Ow. I've been standing there for hours. Lucky. Right, I'm going to go for a ride on the Transpennine Trail. I'll get back to you when I'm on there. Peace out. What's that long thing? It's my rim. Looky. So that's a bit off-putting, but look how pitch black it would be. Good though. Look at that. Okay, I know how to get rid of that line. An extra spacer, a longer bolt. I can pull the light out a bit. position it a bit better. But it was an emergency and it's getting me home. Okay, that's all. That was this week's top tip. Over and out. Bye. Oh, I remembered I have my head torch. So there's that.